welcome back to another video today, where today I'm going to be showing you the garden in the snow. Hello everyone and welcome back to another video today, where today I'm going to be showing you how to grow some Norway spruce seeds, well any spruce seeds like Christmas trees. Hello everyone and welcome back to another video today, where today I'm going to be doing a little update on the tulips and daffodils that I put down the side of the house. This variety is called Red Drumhead. 7 grams of seeds from Premier Seeds Direct. So,
and last but not least, it's a guide. This one's called Spencer's Nursery and Budgies. Now, there's a couple of reasons I'd like people to go over on this. First of all, it's a fairly new channel, but he's got his head screwed on. He's only a young lad, but he's obviously going in the right direction. It's nice to encourage young gardeners. So that's Spencer's Nursery and Budgies.
About just 0 degrees here in the garage. It's snowed outside. I don't know if you can see, but it's snowed. So it's just about 0 degrees here. 0.2 degrees Celsius. So it is quite cold. So now they are all watered in. I will put them in the greenhouse. They have been inside for a lot of the time, but they have been back and forth out the greenhouse just to get them hardy. But over Easter there's supposed to be some snow and some frost. Hello everyone and welcome back to another video today, where today I'm going to be giving you a tour of the garden. I've been away for quite a while because there's problems with my computer. It's all back up and running again now. So I just thought I'd give you an update. We have a very tall sunflower. It's about 11 foot, nearly 12 foot. So I'd like to thank Sulfan and Pat Rhodes for your donations. Hello everyone and welcome back to another video today, where today we are going to be digging up some of these potatoes. Don't know if you can see there. They're not done as well this year. I don't know if you can see the little fish in there. It is a lemony yellow colour. It's a hybrid tea rose. Right then, so now I've potted up 5 of these plants. So I now have 3 rows of onions. I've got 2 garlic at the end. I don't know if they will do anything. Hello everyone and welcome back to another video today, where today we're going to be having a look at my award for the tallest sunflower. I did win first prize and got a height of 375 centimeters. As you can see, that is your completely finished slug trap. Right then, so these are the rest of the dahlias. As you can see, I think I might need to give them a bit of a rinse under the tap, but they're dwarf ones. These are like larger ones like pom-pom, dinner plate and stuff like that. So today I'm going to show you how to grow some spruce trees from seeds. Right then, let's get straight into the video. I'm currently growing some Christmas trees underneath it, so that's why it's quite low at the moment, because they only grow quite slow to start with.
Which I guess brings me on to my first nomination, which is Spencer's Nursery. He's a young lad, and but his videos are actually really informative, and I've learned quite a few things from him, which I think is brilliant, because he is a young lad. I'm not exactly an old lad, do you know what I mean, an old person. I'm easily twice his age. Probably not far off 3 times his age anyway, but yeah, he's very knowledgeable, and I've learned a lot from him, and I think that's great, because it is nice. I mean, you generally learn from your elders, don't you? And I think it's very refreshing to learn from younger people, and he's very passionate about his channel and what he does. So yeah, if you've not already done so, pop over to his channel and have a look.
So 2018 has been a great year for this channel. It's grown so much. I'm at 277 subscribers at the moment, it says. So that's wouldn't be possible without any of you. Even if you're watching now and you're not subscribed or you never watched any of my videos, just thank you for watching, and I'm very grateful to everyone that's been watching my videos throughout the year. Even with problems with editing and stuff like that, it's just been such good fun making all these videos. Hopefully we'll make more in 2019. Unfortunately, my tripod has, now decided to give up on me after the 3 years of using it for different things, but it's finally decided that it wants to fully break now, so hopefully I should be getting a new one. If you want to support me with that, I'll leave a link in the description, and I'll put the link up on the screen for donations. It's not like a begging thing or anything like that, it's just like a support thing. Many people do it, it's not a begging thing at all, so don't take that the wrong way. So yeah, thank you to everyone that's been supporting the channel, commenting and everything. I tried to do like a roll down thing with as many comments as possible, so if I did miss you, I'm sorry. So yeah, I did try and do as many people as possible, but if I did miss you, just tell me in the comments section below or something, and I'll try and sort something out. So yeah, that's about it. It's been a fun video to make, actually, looking back through everything. My channel wouldn't have been at the point it is now without nominations and shout outs from like Muddy Boots and Ant's Allotment. I believe Woody from Cumbrian Homestead nominated me in his description of one of his other videos. So yeah, thank you to everyone that's subscribed or watched any of the videos. So that's about it. If you want to check out these other videos on screen, and click that subscribe button if you're already not subscribed. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in 2019. Have a great new year.